What's going on, guys? So I'm out here with Levi and Ray Ray. Ray Ray's here. Levi's here. Levi's birthday's coming up. It's March 1st. I don't know if that's coming up or if that's past at this point, but regardless, it's one or the other. And we got him something he's been wanting for a while. What is it, buddy?
A dirt bike.
A dirt bike? Can you show the people? You show YouTubes?
You do it.
Come on, let's go. Boom. There they are. So we went ahead and got Levi one, and we got me one. What's yours? Do you know?
What?
What is yours? Do you know?
No.
It's a Kayo KMB 60.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. We got him a little helmet, some goggles. I got a matching helmet.
Dad, what is yours?
Mine is a TT 140 by Kayo as well. They're both Kayo machines, so these are a Chinese brand. They're an off-brand. But we were told that they're pretty reliable and they're lots of fun. I haven't ridden in a really long time, so I wanted to go with a smaller bike, kind of cut my teeth again before getting on something too big. But what are we going to do today? What's the plan for today?
To put training wheels on mine.
Yep, training wheels and go for the first ride, right?
Yes.
Because you haven't ridden yours yet?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go open up the box to the training wheels, see how those are going to go on. Are you being crazy? So anyways, let's go open the box. Let's go see what's going on in there. Get these things on here so that maybe we can rip around the yard a little bit. All right, so we got the training wheels on. It was pretty easy. You replace a pin here with a bolt, and then you just bolt these onto this shaft. I kind of have them up a little bit. That way Levi will have to learn a little bit of balance to start out with, but not real bad. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. You ready to put on your helmet and I'll push you around?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Dad, can you help me? It's hard.
Of course.
It's really too small for me, like, to put it on.
Here you go.
I can't see.
Good. Pull it down in the front.
Good.
Put your chin up. Push your chin up and pull this down. There. Quit pulling your head down.
Okay, I can't.
Listen to me. Just listen to me.
Okay.
Push your chin up. Push your head up. There you go. Stop. Right there. Okay. Can you see good?
Yeah.
Okay. Up on.
Your bike.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, balance it with your feet. Lean it over. You gotta lean it that way. Okay, put your kickstand up. It's okay.
I don't know how they do that.
Just push it. Bloop. Okay, ready? Now listen.
What?
Listen.
What?
This is your back brake. This is your front brake, okay?
Then what is this for?
Keep you from going too fast.
Hurry, Dad! Hurry! Hurry, Dad! Hurry!
Okay, which one's your front brake?
This one.
All right, can you pull it? Let me see you pull it all the way. Good job. Okay, now do the back one. Let go of the front one. Do the back one.
1, 2, 3, go!
You doing it?
Yeah. This one's
Okay,
harder.
All right, put your feet on your pegs. On the pegs.
Go!
Okay, to turn, you gotta lean over a little bit.
Oh.
All right, and turn the handle bars. You gotta lean. Lean that way. Lean, 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 lean.
Ooh, that's scary.
That's what you want. You want the bike to go over. Okay, let's go this way. Let me get where the camera can see us. It's recorded, I think.
Around the house. Come along, Daisy. Come along, Daisy.
Don't hit my bike. Lean this way. Lean over. Scoot your butt. There you go. Oh, we're going that way now?
Yeah.
Levi, I want to be over by the camera, buddy.
Okay, that's where I'm going.
No, you're not. Camera's way over there. You have to be over here in front of the gate. All right, go ahead and stop. Oh, use your brakes.
Oh.
Good. Good job. All right.
Dad, can you... Wait, can I put it down?
Yeah.
Dad, can you...
Keep it leaned over and push down on it. Right there. Push. Good. Keep going. Good job. All right.
Did you like that, Casey? You like that?
It'll go. Just give it a guess. It's okay. I'm right here. Go ahead. It's okay.
Are you going to help me?
Yes. Give a guess. Oh, keep your foot down. Now pick your foot up. Turn. Okay, let go of the gas. Let go. Let go of the gas. Don't put your foot down. You'll hurt yourself. Good job using your brake. Hey, awesome.
Can I get off now?
Why?
Because I'm already tired.
Let's do a little more. Let's do a lap. Yeah? Okay, hold it up with your foot and then give it gas. Nope, hold it up with your foot. Hold it up with your foot and give it gas until it goes. There you go. Yeah, I just thought you'd drive around a little more if you wanted. Yeah. Go ahead, put it down. Yep, good job. All right. So what do we think?
Good.
You gotta talk a little louder. The mic's way over here.
Good.
Good? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it as fun as you thought it would be?
Yeah.
Is it a little bit scary?
Uh-huh.
Well, we're just gonna keep riding, huh? We're gonna get better.
Yeah.
Pretty soon, me and you will be out riding together.
Yes.
Yeah, but we gotta get Levi riding first. Don't touch that. That's your muffler. It'll get hot. It'll burn you. All right? Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, thumbs up. All right, say, we'll see you next time, guys.
We'll see you next time.